Have you ever sent a text to a woman you're interested in and then waited and waited, only to get no reply at all? Maybe you've seen the dreaded seen notification or watched those typing bubbles appear and then vanish. I know, it's frustrating, confusing, and honestly, it can hurt. But before you panic or send another message, let's understand why this happens and what you can do about it. First, here are 3 common reasons why she might be ignoring your texts. Reason number 1, she's busy or distracted. Life gets busy. Work, friends, school, family. Sometimes replying simply slips her mind. If it's only occasionally, don't overthink it. Reason number 2, your texts are overwhelming her. Ask yourself honestly, are you sending multiple texts in a row or pushing for a conversation when she's clearly busy? Constant messaging can push her away fast. Reason number 3, loss of attraction or interest. It's tough to hear, but sometimes silence is her way of saying she's not feeling it anymore. This usually happens if conversations become repetitive, predictable, or overly needy. But don't worry, here's exactly how to handle the situation. Step 1, give her space. If she's ignoring you, resist the urge to text again immediately. Wait at least 48 hours before sending another message. This communicates confidence and respect for both of your spaces. Step 2, evaluate your texting habits. Are you asking open-ended, engaging questions, or simply sending boring statements like, "Hey, what's up?" Remember, curiosity sparks attraction. Instead, reference an inside joke or ask something genuinely interesting. Step 3, build attraction through self-improvement. The most attractive trait you can have is confidence. Invest in yourself. Hit the gym, pursue your passions, spend time with friends. When you show you're living an exciting life, she'll naturally become curious about you again. Step 4, send an engaging follow-up text if needed. When you do reach out again, make it count. Keep it playful, confident, and short. For example, "Just tried that restaurant we talked about. You're missing out. Something hilarious reminded me of you today. Want to hear it?" Step 5, know when to walk away. If she continues ignoring your messages after you've tried these steps, respect yourself enough to walk away. Never chase endlessly. Your time, energy, and attention are valuable. Never give them freely without mutual interest. Remember this, attraction thrives on confidence, independence, and a bit of mystery, not desperation or clinginess. Value yourself first. Others will follow your lead. Did this advice help you? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe for more relationship tips, and let's grow together.